Ajay Maken, who will be addressing us. But before that, may I request our High Commissioner, Dr. Janini Bhagwati, to kindly come and address us.
I promise to be very brief. Honorable Minister, Mr. Ajay Maken, perhaps Mr. Malhotra is a little delayed. He was also invited, the acting chief of the IOA. I know that senior officials of the IOA are here, the Secretary General and others, members of the India's Olympic contingent. I see Lord Noon in front of me. I know that Lord Paul is somewhere. I've seen so many faces that I have not seen from school. There is Novi Kapadia here, who used to be in high school with me. I see, there he is, from All India Radio. I see Sanjeev Prasad, who is a tennis partner from Delhi. He's here representing Doordarshan as far as their coverage of tennis is concerned. So this is delightful to see old and familiar faces here. So, my lords, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues and friends within the mission, the Deputy High Commissioner, ladies and gentlemen, we are very happy to welcome you here to India House. It's a historic building. I don't know if you know that the architect of this building is the same as that for the North and South Block in Delhi, across from, on the two sides of Rajpath. I think the air is thick in London with excitement, with Olympic inauguration ceremony. How much? I think it is roughly 7 o'clock tomorrow or something like that sort. So about 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. So just maybe 26 hours away or so from now. My sense is that tonight and tomorrow night there will be much festivity in the streets of London and in the boroughs adjacent. So we in the High Commission, all we would like to say is that we wish everyone, all athletes, but in particular the Indian athletes and the sportsmen and the sportswomen, the very, very best. Please, a big round for those who are, of applause for those who are here, who are going to represent us. So thank you very much for your attention. I don't want to make a long-winded speech. I think we want everybody to feel relaxed in India House, which is their house. This is the house that belongs to all of us. And may I now request Sports Minister, Mr. Ajay Maken, to kindly address all of us. Please, sir.
Mr. High Commissioner, Secretary General of the IOA, Mr. Ranveer Singh, and dear friends. At the outset, I would like to thank the High Commission for having organized this gathering here today. In India, for the first time, I suppose, that there is so much of excitement and expectation from the Olympic squad. Never it has been in the past that Indians have been expecting so much out of their Olympic contingent. And I think the biggest reason for this is that for the first time, 81 of our athletes have qualified for the Olympics. It is the largest number of athletes ever that have qualified for the Olympics, and perhaps this is the biggest reason why so much of expectation is there back home. And when such a large number of athletes have qualified, it shows the commitment of the athletes, coaches, federations, Sports Authority of India, and also the government. At this juncture, I would just like to make a small announcement. The Government of India has decided that all these Olympians, not only in these Olympics, but also in previous Olympics, would be offered a job of coach in the Sports Authority of India as Group B officer services. And any medal, any one of them would make them eligible to straight away jump onto Group A services, which is equivalent to the IAS, the administrative services, and the services which Mr. High Commissioner also belongs to. So I think for the first time,